everyone. It's time to brave the wind and go outside. It's just a little chilly this morning and the wind is definitely making it be felt. Morris, there you are. I didn't rush out because you were sleeping so nicely in your warm spot. Don was out here to clear the plate, change a ring battery, and do a couple other things this morning. He put feed bird seed. Come on, Morris, come here. Come on, buddy. Let's come up. Morris, come on, bud. Come on. What's wrong? Come on up. Is there a reason you won't come up? Hi. I got food. Come here. Here. I got food, buddy. Nice stretching. You want it down here today? Ma. Ma. Okay, you can have it down there. It's not a big deal. Okay, bud. Stripe and Marty have been out and gone back in and aren't currently beating down the door to come out, so that's good, especially for Marty. I'm not letting Marty hang out in the cold too much. Let his immune system work on healing and not on cold. Okay, wow the wind. It's a pretty sunny day, but wow the wind. I saw Tom Malogny with the snowblower on his blizzarded driveway in New Jersey. He said was having a little trouble coming up the hill with the amount of snow, but it was doing okay. Oh goodness, they've got some rain up there. I mean snow, blizzard snow. Chaffle, egg, cheese, and bacon sandwiches for lunch today. I'm defrosting a piece of chuck roast. The metal board plate pulls the cold out. The fan circulates the air. The cold comes out underneath. It just speeds everything up. We're going to try to go to the gym in about an hour. I started sorting a few pieces this morning, and I did, maybe not quite this much, but a Ziploc bag's worth of parts, and I'm going to dump this in here and sort it out also. Got to sort some of the parts I got so I can use them when I need them.
Well, if we'd have left a few minutes ago, that wouldn't have happened. I was just sitting here, and all of a sudden, I heard that little splat sound.
It's almost big enough to be the hawk.
Very
Not
much.
quite, but close.
I wouldn't want to miss.
Don't. This would not be a good. Are you sure you don't want to clean it? The car might wash the windshield and smear it.
Probably will. Well, why would I want to get out and smear it with my hand? It's cold out there.
I didn't mean your hand.
Well, I'm going to have to go in the garage and get something. I just want to be a lazy boy.
I think that's telling Don he left his phone behind and left the car. I think that's that new thing.
Yeah, that was interesting. So I got out of the car, left my phone in the car, and was heading to the garage. And all of a sudden, I heard this do-do-do-do-do-do sound. I said, I wonder what that is. And I went in the garage, came back out, and got in the car. Marion says, hey, this thing came up on the screen showing you left your phone in the car. That's right. So,
Well, thanks for testing that new function for us, unintended, but you know, that'll work.
Yeah, it was a little like a happy dance.
I actually didn't hear it inside the car.
It was outside.
I do have an AirPod in one ear, but I didn't hear it. Of
Yeah,
course,
it
I was
wasn't super
busy.
loud.
Of course, I was busy filming and looking at what the picture was and Pokemoning. I mean, there was like 3 or 4 things going on in here. It wasn't just focused, but.
Yeah. But it was plenty loud. It wasn't really loud, like the doot doot. When you come up to the back, that's pretty loud. It was quieter than that.
Huh. Okay. So a sound outside and a visual inside.
Right.
All right. Well, we're back from the gym, and all you-know-what broke loose out there.
Oh, yeah, man.
We almost got run over by a cop car and a Camaro. coming down Wagstaff, and they've been going to the accident scene for 10 minutes in advance. I think he was going all the way around, down to Piney Grove, over to Rawls Church, back up 401. We think it might have been at Wagstaff and 401, or in front of the school road again.
Yeah, one of the roads that we.
But they, trust me, they sent everything. The siren. We can, after we came in and we got passed by that cop car, we could hear even more sirens coming.
That's right, sure could.
I was going to show you this guy. He's my articulated shelf sitter bamboo spool buddy, complete with eyes.
We'll send him out here to change the filament next time. Hey, hit the start button.
Well, Don said to listen for the helicopters to arrive, and they've arrived. Unconfirmed reports of a stabbing within walking distance of our house, basically one neighborhood closer to the railroad tracks, Tobacco Barn Road. It's the next left after our neighborhood. You turn left into our neighborhood coming from South Park. It's the next one. So I turned on all the lights and I've locked the doors. And yeah, it said multiple victims. It said children were involved, and that the K9 units and the police were searching for the suspect. So they have not apprehended the individual, which I would say is confirmed by the fact that the aircraft are now flying overhead.